Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Zeeshan Yousaf and I am student of MPhil Zoology, Government College University, Faisalabad. And first of all, I would like to thank Applied Zoological Society for providing me a platform to present my MPhil research work. And the title of my today presentation is Effects of Aloe Vera Supplemented Canola Meal Based Diet on Growth Performance and Body Composition of Catla fingerlings. First of all, fish and its products are required for global food security due to high nutritional value. And fish is good source of protein. And according to Food and Agriculture Organization, fish account for 17% of animal protein and 7% of total protein eaten worldwide. And aquaculture, which is rearing of aquatic animals, is the world's fastest growing food production system. And it is estimated that 82.1 million tons of production of fish in 2018, which was increased by 5.4% in previous 3 years. For better production of fish, different types of meals are used, like fish meal, which is good source of essential amino acids and highly palatable, contains digestible nutrients and free of anti-nutritional factors. But its prices are rising continuously, and aquaculturists are looking for alternative source of fish meal, like plant meal, because it is cost effective and environment friendly, and it is easily available throughout the year. The plant meal which I used in my research was canola meal, because it is good source of protein, and it also contains amino acids and essential minerals like selenium and phosphorus. And canola meal is the second most widely used as a source of protein after soybean meal. And catla, which is major Indian carp, it is also called thela, and it dominates the public and administrative sectors in Pakistan. The plant species which I used is aloe vera, and which is commonly called koar gandal in our language, and it is perennial tropical herb of Aloe family, and more than 400 different species of aloe vera present, and these species are rich in biological active compounds. But in Pakistan, 4 species of aloe vera is present, and among them Aloe barbadensis is considered most biological active, and it is widely used in traditional medicines, drinks, and cosmetics. And it contains 17%, 75% active constituents like vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants. And these compounds are present in aloe vera gel. And if we look at the composition of aloe vera gel, it contains water, polysaccharides, 20 of 22 necessary amino acids, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It has also anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous property, and literature proved that it improved growth and hematological parameter and immunity in fishes. So the purpose of my study was to check the most effective concentration of aloe vera, which can be used as feed additive in the diet of Indian major carp, especially catla. So materials and methods, first of all, fish and experimental conditions. 180 fingerlings of catla were purchased from government fish hatchery, Satyana Road, Faisalabad, and these fingerlings were transported to Fish Nutrition Lab, Government College University, Faisalabad, where fingerlings were acclimatized for 2 weeks. These fingerlings were divided into 6 groups, and each group were further divided into 3 replicate, and each replicate were contained 12 fingerlings of catla. And during acclimatization, proper experimental conditions like pH, temperature were maintained. After that, gel was extracted. For gel extraction, fresh leaves of aloe vera plant were collected from local nursery, and these leaves were transported to Fish Nutrition Lab, where these leaves were washed with tap water, and after that, gel was extracted by standard protocol. After that, feed ingredients were purchased from local commercial feed mill, and their chemical analysis were done, and diet were formed. In diets, 6 diets were formed which contain different concentration of aloe vera gel. And after that, when dough was formed, pellets were formed by passing through the dough in piloting machine. After that, feeding protocol and sampling. Fishes were fed 2 times in a day according to 4% of their body weight. And trial duration was 70 days. After that, samples were collected from each tank, and after collection of sample, their gross assessment and proximate analysis were done. And at the end of experiment, statistical analysis was performed. First is for statistical analysis, one-way ANOVA was used. So here is the ingredients composition of test diets. Six aloe vera gel supplemented diets were formed, which contain 0%, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, and 5% concentration of aloe vera, and other ingredients were also added at different concentrations. Here are some instruments which was used, like in case of body composition, for determination of crude protein, Jahaldal apparatus was used, and for determination of crude fat, Soxhlet apparatus was used, and for determination of ash, electric furnace was used. And in case of growth study, weight gain, feed conversion ratio, and specific growth rate were determined through following formulae. Here is the results after 70 days of feeding trial. The results shows that 3% aloe vera supplemented diet improved growth performance, and maximum value of SCR were also observed at 3% aloe vera supplemented diet, and minimum value of FCR were observed at 3% aloe vera supplemented diet. And in case of body composition, maximum value of crude protein were observed at 3% aloe vera supplemented diet, which was 19.46, and maximum value of fat were also observed at 3% aloe vera supplemented diet, while ash and moisture were minimum at that supplementation. So what was the conclusion of my research? Present research revealed that Catla fed at 3% aloe vera supplemented canola meal-based diet improved fish growth performance and body composition. Here are some references. Thank you very much for your attention. Allah Hafiz.